Welcome back to another industrial shredding challenge. We have prepared an exciting mix of tough metal, plastic, and oversized objects. Let's put them to the test and see how they hold up against the shredder. We are starting with a solid motorcycle engine. Let's see how it handles these powerful rotating blades. This half rickshaw still has plenty of steel, making it a great shredding challenge. An entire motorcycle goes in next, giving the shredder plenty to work through. This thick rubber tire is about to meet the unstoppable cutting power of the shredder. The bicycle frame bends quickly as the sharp blades pull it further inside. This solid copper sheet falls smoothly under the shredder's incredible pressure. The heavy iron frame resists at first before slowly breaking apart. Another bicycle enters the shredder and quickly turns into twisted metal. This steel car door is no match for the powerful industrial cutters. The thick Jeep tire gets pulled in as the rubber starts tearing apart. This large loader body slowly collapses under the force of the rotating blades. The empty oil barrel folds and crashes much faster than you might expect. This massive wood rod slowly cracks as the shredder keeps pushing through. A heavy gas cylinder takes on the shredder in another satisfying crushing test. The fan breaks apart piece by piece as the blades pull it inside. This little bicycle does not last long against the powerful steel cutters. Another tough cylinder finally gives into the shredding power. These melted plastic chunks are quickly ripped into smaller pieces. The hoverboard is completely torn apart within just a few seconds. This firefighter is crushed from every angle by the spinning blades. The one-wheel cycle twists and disappears into the shredder with ease. This giant gold-plated logo slowly bends before breaking into pieces. The plastic toy car shatters almost instantly under the rotating cutter. The final gas cylinder wraps up another powerful and satisfying shredding challenge. Thanks for watching. Which item was your favorite? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more satisfying shredding videos.